First, you need to find the battery. It's a black box with a red and black terminal on the top. On my car, it is by the driver's side headlight. Remove the cover on the red terminal and loosen the black terminal. Remove the black terminal. Loosen and then remove the red terminal. Remove the bracket holding the battery down. Remove the battery from the car. It may have a cover on it like mine did. Install the new battery into the car. Remove the terminal covers from the new battery. On this battery, the black cover was tight and I had to use a screwdriver to pop it off. Be careful not to short the two terminals of the battery with your screwdriver. Reinstall the hold down bracket. Then reinstall and tighten the red terminal onto the battery. Make sure it matches the battery itself, red to red, black to black. Reinstall the red battery terminal cover. Then reinstall the black terminal on the battery and tighten it. Ensure that the hold down bracket is tight on the battery and the battery will not move when the car drives around.